So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to do somewhat of a life update, Q&A, catch up, chit chat type of video. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, in this video, I want to talk about stuff, life, and all of that stuff in between. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I figured it'd be a good time to do it because a lot of things have changed in my life, both personally and career-wise, so I wanted to talk about it and to leave people less confused about what I do and my life, I guess. And so I also wanted to answer some questions that I received as well, so let's just get right into it. So if you do not know, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, welcome to my channel, welcome to the video. My name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your experience and our reality. I wrote that book at the beginning of lockdown and it launched in May. I'm very passionate about sharing my story, and I'm also very passionate about other people sharing their stories as well, because I think it's so important that we as people do that and share our stories, because there's so much power in our story. But it also allows us to gain better knowledge on other people and to get a better, well-rounded perspective on life. So sharing our stories is super important in my opinion. But I did write the book You Choose Your Outfit, and it's now available on Amazon and Kindle. And that book actually is very, very personal to me, as I do share some intimate details of my life and some of the experience that I've gone through, which have put me on the path that I am now, where I talk about spirituality and life and manifesting and creating your own reality. So, a question: what motivates me to work hard? My kids. And I was just talking about this with my boo thing last night about how my kids definitely motivate me to move forward and to, push myself. They are definitely external motivators, but I'm very motivated intrinsically. Is that the right word? Internally, I guess that's how you say it. I've always just had this drive to want to be a better version of myself than I was yesterday. And that's always been something that I strive for. So I'm my own motivator, and my kids are definitely what motivates me as well. So if you do not know, I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is our women's apparel brand, and we believe in being bold, being loud, and being confident. And I am a huge advocate for being yourself and being seen. I think it's so important for everyone to be seen and heard. I have encountered people that felt like they were censored in their lives, that they couldn't say certain things that they wanted to say or express themselves in a certain way, whatever that was for them that made them feel good. Even myself included. Why I even wanted to create the brand of Girl Censored is that I felt like a girl censored, because I believe in expression. Whatever that is for you, it is so important that we feel like we are heard and seen. And so that is Girl Censored. And we got huge surprises coming from the brand. Like huge, super stoked for them. We got some stuff coming for the guys as well, and I do love guys. I do love guys. We do have some things coming for the guys as well. We are expanding the brand, and if you do not know, and I mentioned this in the description boxes of all my videos, is I am the creator of Magical Beauty Cosmetics as well, and it is makeup made from real pearls. Yes, girlfriend, real pearls. And I'm a huge proponent for pearls in makeup and in skincare because of the amazing benefits it does for your skin and the amazing finish it gives you for makeup. So I'm also the creator of Magical Beauty Cosmetics. I started off with Magical Beauty Cosmetics, and now we are, as a censored brand, absorbing Magical Beauty Cosmetics under this censored brand. So that product, and we have more products coming from Magical Beauty as well, is going to be absorbed under the censored brand. Speaking of Magical Beauty, girlfriend, we have some amazing products that are coming down the pipeline from that. You know, I definitely obviously believe in my product. I think it's amazing. I wear it every single day. I mean, I wear it on shoots, I wear it in on shows, I wear it all the time because I have not honestly encountered a setting powder, a luxury setting powder like our setting powder. And it just gives you a nice soft velvety finish to your makeup. And you know, I always say that, you know, setting your makeup is always the most important step to a makeup routine. And you know, that setting powder is going to give you that flawless finish, and Magical Beauty, we just do that. I'm sorry, I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot. Obviously I believe in my product, but beyond that, the benefits of pearls, real pearls, is so amazing for the skin. And I've been using it topically and internally for years, and I've seen the amazing benefits that pearl powder can do for someone's skin, and I'm just a fan. I'm just a fan. Okay, question. What is your, what does it say? I can't read that far. Can't see that far. What is your favorite thing about your career? My favorite thing about my career is that I get to create and live in my passion and do things that I'm passionate about. I mean, you know, I think that's important for everyone to be able to do. Create. We are all creators in some capacity. Be able to live in our passions and do things that bring us joy. Beauty and makeup definitely is my ish. I love that, and I you know, that's why I'm so passionate about Magical Beauty and our products. I love fashion. Hey, you know, Girl Censored, our censored brand, and we're expanding into menswear as well. Hey, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you love it too. And I also produce shows. I am the host of What's Going On Colorado, which is a podcast with Brian Evans. I'm also the host of Colorado's Grand Talent. We just wrapped up our first episode, and we're going into production for our second episode, Can You Dance? And we have other shows coming down the pipeline. I love producing. I love bringing amazing things to the marketplace. I love where people can feel good in some capacity from the things that I create. Whether it's makeup and it makes you feel more confident to do whatever, whether it's a show that, you know, if you were having a bad day and it entertained you and it made you laugh. I love those kind of things. It brings me joy. It wakes me up in the morning. So I love producing shows. I love doing events. I love the business side. I love the fashion, the apparel, and the beauty side as well. So I just love creating. I do. What can I say? That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. We have some amazing things coming down the pipeline, like I just mentioned in this video. We are expanding Girl Censored. We are expanding the brand to become censored. And we are coming out with menswear. We are absorbing our makeup line, our cosmetic line, Magical Beauty, under that brand. We are still developing and producing shows, so definitely look out for those as well. But I do want to leave with this. I hope that you know that anything and everything is possible for you. You got to believe, because what you believe binds and becomes your reality. This is what it is. And I believe that for you, and I hope you believe it for yourself. Anyways, you guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.